Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. Today, I'm going to show you a few different ways how you can fix your Messenger camera if it's not working on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If your Facebook camera is not working while you're trying to make a video call, then the first thing to check is to make sure that you've connected your device to an internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once connected, go back to Facebook Messenger and see if that fixes your camera. If it does not, then the next thing to do is to go to your settings from your Android. From the settings menu, scroll all the way down until you find apps and give it a tap. From the list of the apps, search for Messenger and give it a tap. From the app info page, scroll all the way down and go to permissions. From the app permission page, tap on the camera button and make sure that the camera access for this Messenger application is allowed by tapping on allow. Now once you have allowed your camera for necessary permissions, go back to Facebook Messenger and start making that video call. If it works for you, then that's great. If it does not, next thing to do is to make sure you clear out the cache data from your Facebook Messenger. Go to settings and tap it on. From the settings menu, scroll down to apps and give it a tap. From the list of the applications, search for Messenger and once you spot it, tap it on. From the app info page, tap on storage. Tap clear cache at the lower right hand corner. This will clear out all of your cache data that has been piled up on your Messenger application throughout the time period. Now tap clear data at the bottom right hand corner as well, but remember that you know your Facebook Messenger credentials to log in back again in order to make this change. Once you tap OK in the pop-up, all of your application's data from Messenger will be deleted permanently. So once tapping on OK, go back to Messenger, launch it on, and type in your Facebook Messenger credentials to log in back to your Messenger account. Once you're logged in, go and tap on one of the contacts and try making that video call or try taking a picture from your camera. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your camera on your Facebook Messenger is not working. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.